Next one, maxima and minima. Maxima and minima are function of two variables. So what is the necessary and sufficient condition for a function of f of x comma y to have maxima or minimum value? So the necessary and sufficient, the necessary condition for f of x comma y to have maxima or minima, or minimum value at a comma b, or fx of a comma b equal to 0, and next fy of a comma b equal to 0. So this is the necessary condition f of x comma y. So with respect to x, the function is fx of a comma b is 0 and fy of a comma b is equal to 0. And next, sufficient condition. Let fx or fy of a comma b, let fx of a comma b equal to 0 and fy of a comma b is equal to 0. So then dou square by dou x square into f of a comma b is equal to r. And next, dou square by dou x dou y into f of a comma b equal to s. Say, and next, dou square by dou y square into f of a comma b equal to t. Then the sufficient condition can be written as, then the sufficient condition are if rt minus s square, which is greater than 0 and or less than 0. So when f of a comma b has maximum value, so when we are find out the value, dou square by dou x square into f of a comma b equal to r. So and then next we have to find out dou square by dou y square, f of a comma b is t, and then dou square by dou x dou y into f of a comma b equal to s. So using that values we have to find out rt minus s square, which is greater than 0 and the value of small r less than 0. Then f of a comma b has maximum value. F of a comma b has the maximum value. Next, if rt minus s square greater than 0, if rt minus s square, which is greater than 0 and small r greater than 0, f of a comma b has minimum value. And next one is if rt minus s square, which is less than 0, comma f of a comma b does not have extreme values. Next one, if rt minus s square greater than 0, then f of a comma b fails to have maximum or minimum value or minimum value. So if the condition of rt minus s square greater than 0, then it is minimum value. And next rt minus s square less than 0, then it have extreme values. Rt minus s square greater than 0, then we can say that the given function has fails to find the maximum or minimum values. Next, now we have to find out the dou u by dou x value. So discuss the function now. Let the function u equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. So now we have to find out the value of dou u by dou x. So which implies dou by dou x of x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. So then 3x square and here 0 and minus 3ay into, and the derivation of x is 1. Then 3x square minus 3ay. So this is the value of the dou u by dou x. And then again find out dou u by dou y. Dou by dou y of x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. So then which implies the derivation of x cube is 0 and the derivation of y cube is 3y square minus 3ax into, and the derivation of y is 1. So then which implies 3y square minus 3ax. So therefore dou u by dou y equal to 3y square minus 3ax. Dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. So now we have to find out the value of r. So dou square u by dou x square. So which implies dou by dou x of dou u by dou x 3x square minus 3ay. So then 3 into the derivation of x square is 2x minus 0, which implies 6x. So this 6x is called the value of r. So this is say r. So and next now we have to find out s. S means dou square u by dou x dou y. So then dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y value is 1. Dou u by dou y means 3y square minus 3ax. So then the derivation of 3y square 0 minus 3a into the derivation of x is 1. So which implies minus 3a. So this value is called say s. And then now we have to find out t. So how can we find out dou square u by dou y square? So then dou by dou y of dou u by dou y means 3y square minus 3ax. So then which implies 3 into y square value 2y minus here 0. So then which implies 6y. So these are the values of r, s, t. So using these values we have to find out the maximum or minimum values of the given functions. Given function x cube plus y cube minus 3axy.